there's still the same amount of BMWs here. Just
hide the extra
more
BMWs under the rug.
More efficiently stacked. Hi ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome back to Rad Savers, and we've got quite the list of rad projects going on here today. First of all, big thank you to Eddie for being the very first patron on the Patreon community, and as of now, the only voice as to what we fix on this car before it goes to its next owner. We're giving this car away on the channel once we reach 10,000 subscribers. We've jumped to 1,300 from about 1,250, so it's a little bit slow, but we'll get there. So Eddie wants to see the air conditioning replaced on this car, so that's what we're gonna get into today. Let's get into it. So, let's see, the compressor has to come out, which means the alternator has to come out. I've done this before. This does not have to come out. I think we've got a new one of these. And I think we have a new one of these. The whole front core support has to come off. The big question is, can we do this without draining the coolant? I hate draining coolant. Okay, believe we found every piece to the puzzle here. Condenser. Expansion valves. We've got a plethora of hoses to choose from. I think I've got like 7 versions of this one and like 1 version of the other ones, but that's all right. An evaporator core, a receiver dryer, and a compressor. That's everything. If it doesn't work after this, it's not going to work. These radiator supports. So on this side, it sits on top of the core support so you can pull it out, but it slides down in a slot there. On this side, it actually goes through the core support, and that's supposed to pop out of there. Let's put some Jim Vine special sauce in there. Sweet berry wine.
Sweet berry wine.
No way, Jose. This stuff tastes like fruit. Get old blue out.
So that can come out of the radiator.
Correct. Yep. It really doesn't want to, though. Yep, I got it. Yeah. Yep. The Jim Vine special sauce wins again. This is going to take a couple weeks, guys. Just saying. Okay, so what we have to do here is shine the light right there. If you can. That bolt has to come out, and that is behind this piece right here, which is unobtainium. That this is no longer manufactured, no longer available. And oh, look, it's already disconnected at that end, which probably means it's broken again. Yeah,
I can see the clip.
You can see the clip still intact. Okay, so we got to get the clip out of this side without breaking it. Right there.
Cover off and like.
See, this is what I was afraid of. I'm gonna have to fix. Now I'm gonna have to re-glue that. Okay.
Got it.
Yep. See how when I got this, that's glued on there.
Yeah.
That one's glued on. This one was glued on, and it's broken again. So here's another project for another day. Cool. These have to come off, and we have to take the latch for the hood release off. Two ringy dingies. You just have to pull this out. There, like that. That's loose. Ooh, yeah. First look in here. Wow, look how... I bet this is the original AC condenser. That's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna forget what this is, but this was sitting on here like this as a mat. Kind of see the outline. Got to be careful. This thing will just disintegrate when we take it apart, but that goes underneath this lip here. This sits on top of it. I've never seen that before because when I've ever taken apart, this has been gone. Like I said, this car is like a time capsule. It is just completely original. Like nobody's ever been in here before. It's crazy. So, all right, we'll take this off. We'll attempt to get this off. As a matter of fact.
Sweet berry wine!
Yeah. Yep. Yep. But we do have to take this off. It'd be nice not to stick up this hose. I don't know that yeah, we do have to take these switches off eventually. I don't have new pressure switches.
That's got to come off. This is getting replaced. This is getting replaced. And
yeah.
The hose on the other side is getting replaced too.
Yeah. How about that?
Way too easy.
Yeah, dude. When I did this on the blue car, this was an hour or so fight.
Sure that's all the way in front of it?
That's gonna break the. It's welded on. It's gonna break. It broke off here at the. Sorry, the condenser was coming off anyway.
So how the fuck are you supposed to get that off?
It's stuck. It's just stuck. Yeah, it's just stuck on there. It's been on there for almost 40 years.
Yeah.
So. Nope, they're a bottom. Oh, bugger. So can I get now? I'm gonna take this piece off. Suck it up. All right. Nope. Got it.
Got more glasses.
No, I got them off the ground.
Cool, thank you.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, Volkswagen people, if you know what the heck this is about, I don't think that I've come across this before. This is connected to. This is connected to the back of the cooling fan, and I just pulled this from under the car, and it goes to nowhere. So if this is supposed to be connected to something for some reason, I mean, I'll go look at the shop manual, but I've taken radiators out of these before, and I don't think I've ever seen this. Okay, all the wiring on here is gone. Let's bring this here. Yeah, like you said, it's empty. Yep, we're empty. So this makes it a little bit easier to get at stuff over here. So we're gonna take this. This might be in the way the whole time. We'll see. We got to take this off. Not a huge deal. I'm gonna get this out of the way too, so we can get at this pipe, and also get back to the expansion valve. So. Bingo!
Oh yeah. Okay, go to the other one.
Probably really be a part of that car. I think. It's going to be an adventure.
I would say if we've got another one of these, we should use it.
Probably true, but I checked it.
Oh, that was a clever place to route the freaking vacuum line. Guys I work with who run fibers, I'm like, you had to try your hardest to macrame this freaking cable into as many other cables and everything else as possible. Like this couldn't have possibly happened by accident. No. Ew. All right, that's the outside external components of the air conditioner. Next up is ripping the HVAC box out of the inside. Not today, tomorrow, or next week. I don't know, but not today.